To start this process, we have created a design in Canvas Workspace. This can be done via the online version, which I am using here, or the desktop version. Once you've created your design, click on Download and then the Scan and Cut Transfer button. In the desktop version, click on the File menu and then Transfer FCM file via the Internet. You will get a confirmation message in either case. Then, turn your machine on, press the Home button and tap the OK button on screen. Now tap on the button marked Retrieve Data and then the Wi-Fi transfer icon. Once the machine has retrieved the design, it will put it on your cutting mat, ready to use.